Okay, we have a Romi Cnc flatbed engine lathe, model M23, serial number 002-090262-405. Machine was new in 2005. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a FANUC 21 IT control. It also has electronic hand wheels, so you can simulate a manual hand wheels and do a part in teach mode. He's running right now with the joystick, the Z and the X. You also have a Dorian tool post. Now he's running in with the electronic hand wheel. When you use the hand wheel, the control acts as a digital readout. Right now we're in the low range. Machine also has a 3-jaw hydraulic chuck. Make is an SMW auto block. We're in. What are we going right now? 350. 350 in the low range. We're going to shift to the high range. $250 in the high, going up, 500, machine's nice and quiet, 750. Machine is 22.83 swing over the bed, 12.05 over the cross slide, and your center distance are 40. That's your tailstock. Tailstock has a number 5 Morse taper with 7 inches of travel. It's nice and smooth. Okay, hey, thank you for watching our video.